Kia ora everybody, Chris Farhi here from the Bayleys Insights team. Welcome to this edition of Market View. In this video I'll be giving you a quick update on the New Zealand housing market. From a Bayleys perspective, our big news this month is our newly established new build team. And so this team's been set up to help buyers of off-the-plan properties and sellers of small to medium-sized development sites. This team will be working alongside our well-established projects team, which focuses on larger projects all around New Zealand. On that note, I had the pleasure a week or two ago of speaking at a showcase for our Alta Villas project down in Wanaka. Absolutely stunning project going on down there, so you should definitely check it out. Heading into the market, the REINZ released their latest house price statistics for the month of May. The latest results found the median house price for New Zealand at $840,000 and the median for Auckland at $1.125 million. The latest statistics show that prices have backed off from their short-lived peak at the end of 2021. On average, prices across New Zealand and Auckland are largely flat on mid-2021, but that said, the prices in a number of regions remain well up on last year. The market this year is definitely calmer than the craziness from 2021, but that said, there were still 5,556 properties sold across New Zealand during the month of May. Looking at the market at the moment, the key factor that's impacting things right now is heightened interest rates. If we look out over the coming months, a couple of the things that we're on the lookout for is whether the triple CFA relaxations, so this is the bank lending criteria issue, which was changed during June, whether that starts to add a boost to the market. We of course do have the borders reopening in the coming months. And on top of that, one of the factors that we're curious about is whether wage inflation starts to come through off the back of higher consumer price inflation. Now, jumping back into the transactions, here's a couple of examples of transactions that showcase the median house prices. First up, the New Zealand median house price was $840,000. Showcasing this, we had 3 Hanaki Street in Inakaiti in Gisborne. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home sold by Jenny Murray and Richard Pearce from Bayleys Gisborne. This property went to auction and sold shortly after. Around the same price up in Auckland, you could have purchased 203 70 Victoria Street in Onehunga. This is a 2-bedroom apartment in the nearly new Fabric building in Onehunga, and this property was sold by Kim Hampson from Bayleys St Heliers. You could have also got 59 Brooklyn Drive down in Redwood Town in Blenheim. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home sold by Jacinta Yardley and Tony Yardley from Bayleys in Marlborough, and this property was sold by Deadline. And then finally, for around the same price, if you wanted some lifestyle, you could have purchased 2390 Owaka State Highway in Owaka, which is south of Balclutha in the South Island. And so this is a lifestyle block on 1.57 hectares of land. This was sold by Sarah Murray from Bayleys Dunedin Highgate. Meanwhile, up in Auckland, the median house price was of course $1.125 million. Showcasing this, we have 50 Topland Drive in Flatbush in Auckland. And so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home sold by Lawrence Liu and Joe Derbyshire from Bayleys Howick. Now, for around this price, you could have got 8 Mediterranean Grove in Fitzherbert, just on the outskirts of Palmerston North. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. This one was sold by Deadline Sale again. This was sold by Shelley Grieve and Renee Miller from Bayleys Palmerston North. For around that Auckland median house price, you could have also got 3 Te Waihora Street in Pegasus in Canterbury. And so this was sold by Lance Barrett from Bayleys Rangiora. Big shout out to Lance, who's also marketing some of the Nest homes down in Pegasus. And so these are new passive designed homes for maximum energy efficiency, triple glazed, super cool, and well worth checking out if you're into a more sustainable, energy efficient home. And then finally, just to wrap things up, for around that Auckland median house price, you could have also got 166 Waimate North Road in Kerikeri. And so this is a lifestyle block with a 2-bedroom home, 5.22 hectares. This property was sold by Sherry Robinson and David Bagley from Bayleys in the Bay of Islands.